This is a video from eSkills Zone. For more videos, notes, and certificates, please visit www.eskillszone.com.
Hello and welcome. Hi viewers. In this video we will learn how to insert symbols in Microsoft Word. So you can see that we have a document and we would like to insert symbols in this document. So in Microsoft Word there are some special symbols which you can insert in your Word document. To add symbols, follow the given steps. First we will click in the document where you want to insert the symbol. So here in this document I would like to insert the symbol right over here after this dot, signs, full stop. So we'll first click the insert tab, and from here we will click the symbol icon from the symbols group. So when I click on this symbol icon, then a list of symbol appears, and select and click the symbol you want to insert right over here. And here in this case I would like to insert this sign, ohm sign, which is called ohm sign over here. So I will click on it, so the symbol will get inserted in your document like this. And if you would like to change the colors, you can always go to the home tab, and from here you can change the color. Like I would like to use a different color for this, and I will select the size of it. Again, like to bold it up. So this is how we can insert a symbol in Word document. Second, one most important thing we would like to discuss here in this video today, and that is how to apply shadow effects to the shape. So first we will select a shape. We'll go to the insert tab, and from here we will select on the shapes icon from the illustration group. From the illustrations group we will click on the shapes icon. From here I would like to select this parallelogram and we'll insert like this. And now to apply the shadow effects on the shape, we will follow the given steps. First we will click on the shape and like this, and we will click the format tab. From the format tab we will click on the shape effects and like this, and from the drop down menu we'll click on the shadow. This shadow we will select from here, and we'll click the style we want to enter over. So here in this case I would like to select this one. There are so many options that there, like this shadow, this and this one. So I would go for it, this one, perspective. And now viewers, you can see that we can have a shadow below this picture. So we have learned two different things. First, how to insert symbols in Microsoft Word, and how to apply shadow effects to the shape. So thanks for watching, and that's all.